Okay, this is a street called Rua de Xiamen. Xiamen is a city in China. Pretty beautiful city. I've been there. I actually have some YouTube videos of that city. If I remember, I might even try to link them at the bottom, at the end of this video, so you can see the city of Xiamen as well. But right now we're in Macau, and we're kind of in this beautiful little pedestrian street, and we're between Rua de Nagasaki, which is that street, named after a city in Japan, and we're in Rua de Xiamen, which I guess is starts right here and goes this way. So let's go check out Rua de Xiamen. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Xiamen. Let's go check it all out. It's all floating in the wind. Okay. So this has some pedestrian street, and this is also this area called Zape. And Zape is kind of marked by some casinos, quite a few casinos actually. It's kind of more like like Las Vegas has the Las Vegas Strip with all the beautiful new casinos that are kind of massive and more expensive. And then you also have like downtown Las Vegas. And this is more like a really safe version of downtown Las Vegas. There's very little crime here. Cameras all over the place. But anyways, this is like a little restaurant area that, as far as I can tell, it's called Rua de Xiamen. And yeah, this kind of shows some details. Little restaurant there with some gold and watches. And then this is like a Rua de Nagasaki is like all kind of restaurants in this pedestrian street. It's kind of cool. I haven't really explored down in this area. Over there is Macau Polytech University, which is that red building over there. And then and that's right there, the Polytech Institute, MPI it's called, or IPM, depending on how you write the acronyms in Portuguese or English. And then this is all Rua de Xiamen. So we're basically on Rua de Xiamen, which is going to keep on going down that way. And I guess his plaza is all Rua de Xiamen as well. So Rua de Xiamen, and then I think some of these Zape area, a lot of the streets, you know, they're kind of pedestrian streets and they kind of block things a certain way. Let's see what this says for the street name. This also says, it's right there, Rua de Xiamen. So this is all Rua de Xiamen as well. So it looks like Rua de Xiamen. Some of these streets in Zape, they kind of like are more like little districts or something like that. They're not like linear in the same way. So I guess this is all Rua de, oh, actually that has a different name. They're kind of hanging out here. Plazas de Miramar. So that sign is kind of about this area right here, but that's not going to be our focus. Ours is all on Rua de Xiamen, so let's stick with that. I do like to put a little context. Beautiful tree. Nice places to sit too. Pharmacy, office buildings up there. And I think that might be Rua de Xiamen as well. Let me see. I can see a street sign up there. Looks like it is, yeah. Rua de Xiamen. So there's a street sign right up there. So this is all Rua de Xiamen as well, and it looks like this is too. So even though there's like a little X, like a cross, where you think would be a different street here, it's actually still Rua de Xiamen as well. Looks like we got a kind of a park in this area, and this might go all the way down. I don't know. We'll follow it wherever it goes, and that way you can get some context to it. There's MPI, Macau Polytech Institute. Up there is Gia Hill. If you can see that green flag way up there. Gia Hill has a lighthouse, and then you can overlook the city from up there. And there's also some way to get up there from here. You can take like an elevator or escalator or something like that. And here's Waldo Casino. So I filmed Waldo Casino not too long ago. So there it is right there. Rua de Xiamen. Let me see. Okay. So this street's called Avenida de Amizade, which is that main street. So this street belongs to that street, which is interesting. The way that streets in this area is quite, never really seen it before, basically. So I'm assuming this is still Rua de Xiamen, and I think we're kind of on the back alley of Avenida de Amizade, Avenue of Friendship. You got a little alley right there. Keep on going down. I think we're going to be coming out to the end of it shortly. There's some apartments and such. And we're going to be coming out, there's like a little lotus flower over here. And then you kind of get a bunch of other hotels over that way as well. So I don't know, kind of interesting, I think. There's a Sands Casino straight that way. And that also goes to Fisherman's Wharf as well. You can just see here. Pharmacy, another pharmacy. And I think we're going to be at the end of our street momentarily, so let's just verify that in a minute. If I see any Xiamen, Rua de Xiamen. If not, then you know that Rua de Xiamen extends all the way out to here. That's Fisherman's Wharf over there. And there's a giant park right here. This park is always a mystery to me. It's kind of like a lot of Chinese tourists. I think because there's a lot of casinos. There's a couple of cheap casinos over that way. Golden Dragons right there. There's Casa Real over there. Hai Alai is over there. There's casino right by Fisherman's Wharf right there. Sands Casino right there. And then there's Waldo that we walked by. And Polytech University is up that way. And then the Gia Hill Lighthouse is right there. So I don't really see the street name of this one, but that's definitely Rua Xiamen all the way down there. So let's just end it right on this space right here. Chiquinha,